So many women tell me they want to start investing, but they don't know where to start and they don't have time. My workshop is designed to teach women the essentials on how to save and invest. No fluff, straight to the point.
If we learn how to use our own assets to create financial stability, I feel like we'll have more balance in our life and we'll feel more empowered.
A lot of these days we can get information online, but it is the power of being together in a group, in a workshop environment, and Saij Elle really provided a great facilitation to make sure there was interaction, that we were engaged, that we got to share information between all the participants.
The smartest thing a woman can do is use their hard-earned money to make money. It's the fastest way to grow wealth, and it's the best way to get to financial freedom.
I just feel so inspired because it was so understandable and she made it so simple.
I would really recommend this workshop. I think it provides a lot of great tools, and that there's a lot of not just something that you take one time, but something that allows you to plant the seeds to grow and invest more in the future.
I teach women what financial institutions and the schools forgot to do. How to reach financial freedom their way.